I hope everyone is doing fine today. If you are going to ask me, well, to be honest with you guys, I am not feeling well. Sobrang sakit po talaga ng ulo at buong katawan ko. Siguro trangkaso ito. Siguro po sabihin niyo, oh, masama palang pakiramdam. Bakit nag-upload pa din? Well, talaga po, white is life for me. Ito po ang nagbibigay sa akin ng saya. Masaya po talaga ako sa ginagawa ko. We only live once and so soon it will pass. Whatever you are doing, do it with love and pure intention. It's a simple reminder with love and pure intention. Keep safe everyone. God bless us all.